Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Marivic K. Santos. I'm 29 years old, running 30 this coming May 13. I'm single and a high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper for 2 years in Singapore. I serve one couple, one child, one newborn baby, and one small dog. I started on April 4, 2022 until April 13, 2024. My main duties and responsibilities are feed the dog, do the laundry, cleaning the house, and sometimes cooking, and take good care of newborn baby. Dear mom, sir, I hope you take me as your helper, and I promise to do my very best to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, mom, sir, and God bless you. Have a good day.